Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I wanted to show you something that I signed up for the Wax Seal Club, and because I want to make wax seals. And so here's her website in case you're interested. I'm not not sponsored or anything like that. I'm just showing you what I received. This is my first time to purchase this, and here is what I received. So in case you want to take a screenshot of that information. So anyway, the owner, her name is Betsy. So anyway, I signed up, and here is the first stamp that I received. Now, I've never made anything, so I'm going to try this. But anyway, here's the first stamp. Hopefully you can see that. And it comes with a handle. She has a YouTube channel that actually shows you how to do this. And then this is glass glitter for wax seal making. Look how pretty that is, that gold. How pretty is that? And then she did send 3 wax melt things, whatever you call these. But anyway, I do have the wax melt gun for this, so I will be using that. And then she did send a little package of cards, spring card set of 6. They're 4 inches by 3 inches, and we'll open those up so you can see. But I'm going to try my hand at it and see what happens. But I think it's just such a cute little set. So that's actually pretty close, yeah, pretty close to that stamp. Look how cute. These are so cute. Pretty. So you get 2 of each. And then the envelopes match the color. Oh, that's cute. They match the colors of the wax skills. Oh, pretty close. Anyway, oh, that's cute. I like that. Anyway, I'm going to play around with it and show you what I'm making. We'll see if I'm successful. We shall see. I think I will be, but yeah, because I've watched a lot of her videos to figure it out. But let me show you what I did. Pick this up at Michael's. It is a Recollections. It's for wax melt. It says it's a glue gun, but it says it's for wax melt. That's what it was when I bought it. That's what it was advertised as. And then I picked up some of the sealing wax glue sticks. And I picked them up in all the colors they had available. So, and these actually came with the glue stick. The glue gun. Whatever you call it, that wax glue gun. I'm confused, but anyway. And I do have the old-timey thing as well. You know, where you put a tea light in it. And then I have these. And a bunch of this I bought when it was on clearance after Valentine's Day. But anyway, I did buy these wax melts for the traditional, you know, to do different colors. So anyway, we're going to see what happens. And I will show you what I make. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, everyone. So I did try the wax seals, and they're very, very easy using that glue gun. Or the wax glue gun, or whatever you call it. But this is my first time, so it's going to be trial and error, and, you know. So this is, the wax seal says hello. And I probably, if I'd used a different color wax, it might have shown up better. But here's a laurel. I think these are from Joann's. And this is the Laurel from Joann's as well. And then this is, I found this on clearance, 90% off at Michael's and during Valentine's Day, and it's a heart shaped with a letter in it. I could see doing the letter in a different color. I'm not doing that yet because I'm just not, I have to get this down first before I start doing 2 colors. And then this one is a Valentine's with a bow from Michael's as well. You might want to, if you're interested in stuff like that, you might want to, you know, invest in the wax seal kits at Michael's when they're on clearance. Now, this is the one from the kit that I received from the Wax Seal Club, and I didn't do very well, but that's okay. I mean, I'm going to learn. I'm learning. And then here's a fleur-de-lis. I believe I picked this up on clearance at Joann's. So that one turned out pretty good, and I could so see it and doing it in Mardi Gras colors like purple and gold, or, you know, green, you know, for, you know, basically fleur-de-lis is a Louisiana thing. And then here is a butterfly. It didn't turn out very clear, but I'll figure that one out later. And then here is the wax kit from Michael's as well during Valentine's for clearance, the little cherub. That would be so cute to do it in a cameo type fashion, with the, you know, the cherub white and then a soft green or something like that for that. That would be super cute. And then here is a bee. It turned out pretty, you know, it turned out good. I'm surprised. Sorry, my hands are so dry. Yuck. Anyway, sorry about that. Anyway, and this one says with love. I probably didn't put the stamp down far enough or heavy enough or whatever you do. And then this one is just a candy cane for Christmas, which is different. But anyway, I wanted to show you what I made. I think I did pretty good. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. And I believe you could package these up once you get great at doing these. You could definitely package these up and sell them in an Etsy shop or for craft fair, or, you know, and do a theme of them. I think these would be great for something like that if you wanted to. And you could use these in junk journals. You could use them. You don't have to just use them for letters and all of that. And yeah, just something to think about. You could definitely package these up for a craft fair and sell them. Okay. You guys take care. I will talk to you later. Bye.